So the question we are trying to answer is, can the wording of a question create response bias?
The two questions we came up with for our sample is one, the general question, which is do you approve of abortion? And two, the more slanted question, do you approve of abortion if it lowers the health risks for women? Christina and I chose this topic because it is a well-known social situation that seems to have many opinions. For our hypothesis, we predict that question number 2 will have more yes answers because we purposely slanted it to one opinion.
We decided to pick students from homerooms to be surveyed, and we decided to use a stratified sample to pick which homerooms would be in our sample group. We had 4 envelopes which contain each grade's homerooms in it, and we picked 2 homerooms from each envelope randomly. Then we went to the 8 homerooms, and for each grade, one homeroom got question 1, which was the more general question, and question number 2 was for the other homeroom, which was the more slanted one. According to the graph, there wasn't a big difference in the answers yes, but there was a big difference in the answer no. In the more slanted question, there were 31 no's and 47 yeses, but in the general question, there was 38 no's and 48 yes. Which means the slanted question had about 39% who said no and 60% who said yes, and the general question, 44% said no and about 55% said yes.
As we concluded our project, Christina and I found that wording bias had a slight effect to the result. Although both questions with the results of yes were slightly close, Christina and I saw the effect of the no responses. We saw that question number 2 had more no's than question number 1 because it was specified to the extent where it benefited the mother's health. Overall, with the experience of this project, we felt we could have had a bigger population so the responses would have a bigger difference, such as the yes results. Whereas said before, question number 1 was not slanted to one opinion. Yes, but you wanna say no, what do you mean?